I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring money from PayPal to Square can be a bit tricky, but with the right steps, you can get it done smoothly. Step 1. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Withdraw funds from PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section. Select the option to withdraw funds and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Step 3. Wait for funds to clear. After initiating the withdrawal, it may take 1 minute 3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Be patient, as this is a normal processing time. Step 4. Transfer funds to Square. Once the funds are in your bank account, open your Square app. Go to the Balance section and select Add Funds to transfer the money from your bank account to Square. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Finally, check your Square balance to confirm that the funds have been successfully transferred. You should see the updated amount reflected in your account. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble moving your money from PayPal to Square. Good luck and happy transferring!